guess I know record 5 minutes. If it keeps going, stop it and start a new one.
I'm pretty sure.
Alright, it's going. Okay.
Turn it up on the man.
Fucking no.
Recording it?
Yeah.
Why?
Putting these up on YouTube.
Why don't you record Tyler?
Oh, it's dark.
That thing's
Oh, no.
Oh, shit.
What? Turn it up on him.
I
will kill you if you do that.
You had a low enough where he
It's not up that loud. I can still hear you.
Guys,
Fuck you, then you're not wearing it.
you're a wiener.
I'm not having it up that loud. I like my eardrums how they are.
Dude, it was crazy. It was so scary, dude. You have no idea.
Dude, I'll play next, but
I don't know how to play video games.
Fucking insane.
no, I can't really play because I've got the baby. So if you sit here and laugh,
Well, if I knew you, then nobody else can see.
I'm so scared to turn around.
Turn around.
For a second.
Fuck that. Oh my god, what are those sounds?
Turn it up, dude.
What the
They're
fuck
way
are
more
those
insane.
sounds? Go away.
I want to sit here and watch.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Turn it up, Tyler.
No.
Yes.
I'm turning it up.
Just a little.
I'll punch you in the face.
No. Just turn it up a little.
Alright, I got next.
It's fine how it is. Okay, I'm turning around. And nothing.
Why didn't you take your fingernail or your toenail polish off?
I can't find any tape. Oh shit, okay. That scared me. Fuck.
Are you all scared now? Because you think something's gonna pop out?
Tyler, something's gonna pop out at you.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
You know how soon it's gonna be?
Did you find the letters or the notes?
How soon?
Right now.
How do you know?
Find notes in this one?
Look around. Look around.
No.
Same thing except
Do
for
the tape recorders even say anything when you pick them up?
No.
that's dumb.
What happens when you win, boys?
Oh, anyone else?
Oh my god.
I'll win.
Oh.
I screw on this dumbass.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. What the
Tyler's
fuck?
scared. I don't know. Is it coming after you, Tyler?
No, because he's wearing basically surround sound headphones.
But he turned them down because he's a girl.
Tyler, turn it up.
I had those things freaking so loud, dude. It was crazy.
This is fucking
Yeah.
scary as
The
fuck.
bass on it was. Yeah, now imagine that. Just turn it up all the way.
No,
It's
no, that really gave me a heart attack.
I know.
Uh,
It damn near gave me a heart attack when I had it all the way up. It was crazy.
Hey, if I put the headphones all the way up, you guys can't be mean to me. It won't be nice.
I hear it. Where is it?
But I wouldn't do that at all. Shut the fuck up.
Fuck that tape recorder. Fuck that tape recorder. I don't need that one.
Yeah, you do. Turn around and go get it, Tyler.
Yeah,
No.
just turn around and go get it. No, watch. He might not even be
He's
there.
not even going to be there, dude.
He's not even gonna be there. Just turn around.
Turn around.
Watch. He's not gonna be there. Just turn around.
Look,
Turn around.
turn around.
See, turn all
I
the way
want to
around.
turn around.
Just turn all the way around.
I'm fine.
He won't be there.
You're as bad as Quest is.
God,
Look at
dude.
this guy, Tyler. It looks pretty.
Yeah, look at.
Whoa, that sky is crazy.
Oh, my arm is getting tired.
Penis rock. Look at that.
Tyler.
A landmark. It's
Hey,
called
it's a
Penis
cock
rock.
rock.
Cock rock.
It's like other kind of rock.
Yeah, baby, it's as hard as a rock.
Oh fuck. Okay, I don't want to play anymore.
Tyler, there's something there.
Don't walk towards them, you idiot.
He doesn't want to play anymore.
Huh?
Alright, my turn.